Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I am going to show you how you can easily get echo on your voice in Voicemod beta on Mac. So it's very simple and straightforward, guys. Just follow my steps and I will show you how to do that. First thing you need to do is go over to your search bar. So click on this search and then search for echo. Now, if you search for echo, then you need to click on this. And as you can see, now, it is really echoey in here. So I will turn it off so you can hear normally. And it's pretty sick, guys. As you can hear, this is how you echo your voice in Voicemod beta on Mac. So as I said, it is very simple and straightforward. And thank you guys for watching. If you want to see next tutorial, just write me down in the comments what you want to see next, and I will do tutorial on it. Check out my other tutorials on Voicemod in this playlist on my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.